Hi everyone! Good morning from Canada. This is my baby Maristelle Angeli and she's doing her animal sound. So let's begin, Maristelle. What's the sound of dog?
Ow.
What's the sound of duck? Very good. What's the sound of snake? What's the sound of monkey? Very good. What's the sound of ducky? Duck. What's the sound of duck? Quack. What's the sound of duck? Quack, quack, quack. What's the sound of pig? What's the sound of pig? Oi, what's the sound of pig? What's the sound of tiger? Very good. Can you say apple?
Apple.
Very good. Can you say circle? Say circle.
Apple.
Apple. We're done apple. How about circle?
Circle.
Circle. Very good. Call nanay. Call nanay. Nanay. Very good. Call tatay.
Dad.
You're very good. Say call ate.
Ate.
Very good. Say baby.
Baby.
Very good. How about A? A. Say A. Where's your head? A. Yeah, very good. A. B. B. Say B.
Papa.
Oh, what is that? What are you talking about? Then, point your head. Where's your head? Point your head. Where's your head? Can you find me? Where's your head? Can you find? Come on. Point your head. Where's your head, baby? Say star.
Stars.
Very good. Say heart.
Hot.
Heart. Very good. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Very good. How about where's your head? Very good. How about your eyes? Where's your eyes? That's your nose and mouth. Where's your eyes? Head, shoulder, knees. Where's your knees? Head, shoulder. Oh, mommy's. Count me. Count one. Count. Count by your hands. Come on. Count. Count. No, we're done. Head and shoulder. Come on. One. Count one. Okay, come on. Go. Go with your hands. Come on. Like that. Like mommy. Dali, come on. One. Come on. Count your... Where is mommy's finger? Mommy's finger. Here I am. You wanna say bye for them? Flying kiss. Flying... kiss man siya ni mommy. Flying kiss. Where's your flying kiss? Where's your flying kiss? Come on. Come on, Lenga. Oh, say bye. Bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Say thank you. Bye. Say come on. Bye.